This lesson will cover, step by step, what to do when you've received a patient's Carestream CBCT scan on CD or DVD. Once you've received the disc, simply place it into your CD drive and it will automatically launch the initial setup window. This window gives the option of opening the scan volume directly from the disc or installing the application and the scan volume to your computer. Opening the scan from the CD is good if you just want to have a look at the scan and do some measurements, but to have all of the features and functionality of the 3D software, it's better to install to your computer. Please note that if your computer meets the minimum requirements, when you install from the disc, you will see a three-dimensional rendering. If you only view from the CD, you will not have a 3D view. If you choose to install to your computer, the next window you will see is the CS 3D Imaging Setup Wizard. Click Next to initialize the wizard, choose the proper application mode, and then choose the application level. If Advanced is not already selected, choose Advanced to install all of the software's functionality. Accept the default installation location by clicking Next to install. The installation takes just a few moments, and click Finish to finalize when prompted. Notice that a new shortcut has been added to the desktop for the CS 3D imaging software. You'll now be asked to choose where you would like to store the scan data. You may browse to any folder. I have a folder on my C drive that I've called CS 3D Scans. Select the appropriate folder, then click OK. Simply double-click the CS 3D imaging icon on your desktop. The software brings you automatically to the folder where you stored your scan. The scan you just stored is actually inside the folder with the long string of numbers. Click the plus sign to expand that folder, and then with a simple left click, select the first 3D slice. And then click OK. You will see the software preparing and rendering the images. And now, you've successfully installed the software and opened your patient's scan. From here, you can see that your full patient scan is available. You are now ready to move on to the next lessons, which cover the basics of navigation and visualization. If you encounter any problems or have any questions about any of the steps covered in this lesson, please do not hesitate to contact us for support. Please also take note of the system requirements for best software performance. Remember, if your graphics card does not meet these requirements, you may not be able to see a 3D rendering.